What's up, guys? It's John here. I'm a certified public accountant who loves to talk about financial planning. One of the best ways to save for your kids' college is through a 529 plan. So, a 529 plan, it's an investment plan operated by a state and designed to help you save for future college costs. If you want to know which 529 plan to choose, please watch the whole video until the end. So what's so great about 529 plan? We're looking at four main benefits. The first one is you get income tax break. The money you put into a 529 plan grow tax free. And when you make a distribution out of the 529, it's tax free as well, as long as you use it to pay for qualified tuition expense. The second benefit is as you as the donor, you stay in control. You call the shot. This is very different from the custodial account for your kids, where the money become your children's when they turn 18 or 21, depending on the state you live in. But 529 plan is different. You as the donor, you are in control. You control the funds. The third benefit is it is very hands-off way to save for college. Once you put the money inside the plan and you pick an investment, usually it's a mutual fund, and that's it. You just let the money grow. And then every year you just put money into it. So it's a very hands-off way to save for college. The fourth benefit is everyone is eligible to take advantage of 529 plan. There is no annual contribution limit and there's no income limits. And the amount you can put in is pretty substantial. It's over 200,000 per child. It's allowed in many of the state plans. So the fifth major benefit of a 529 plan is contribution may be state tax deductible. 2/3 of the states in the US allow for state tax deductions. For example, I live in New York, so when I put the money into the New York 529 plan for my boys, they're tax deductible. And I definitely take advantage of that. So I'm gonna go over some of the frequently asked questions about 529 plan and give you the answer. Which state has the best plan? If you live in a state where it offers state tax deduction, then you don't need to look around. So let's say in Wisconsin, if you live in Wisconsin and you want to put in 529 plan, then you choose Wisconsin 529 plan because it will give you state tax deduction. If you live in a state where it doesn't allow for state tax deduction and you're looking for a better one, here are some of the top picks. The Utah savings plan is good. The New York 529 plan is good. The Maryland and Nevada, these are a great plan. They're usually on the top 5 on any of the lists that you can find in any major publication or newspaper. So these are the place to look into. What makes this plan so good? They all have common feature. They're very low in expenses and they offer plenty of investment options. That's why I make them good. So here's some of the other questions as well. Can friends and relatives contribute to an account? The answer is yes. Anyone can contribute into the account. So this makes it a great birthday gift option for your children. A lot of grandparents, they start doing into this. Many of my clients, they ask if they could do it for their grandchildren. I say, yes, this is definitely a very good way. Instead of buying all the different gift cards, I think contribution to a 529 plan is a great choice. Your friends and family can do that as well. Then it helps pay for your children's college. Do I need to use my state's 529 plan money for in-state school? The answer is no. You can use the money at any school in the US, and you can use the money to pay for K through 12 tuition expense at any US public, private, elementary, middle, and high school. All right? So what happened if my kid decide not to go to college? This is one of the most common question I get asked every month from my client. Yes, this thing do happen. Some of your children may not want to go to college. So instead of closing the account, the best way is you could have the money transferred to other sibling. I would definitely suggest look into this option first before you're closing the account. Okay, I hope you find this video valuable, and I would like to hear from you. Please comment below. Let me know what 529 plan you choose and why. Also, what do you invest? And I also do private financial consultations. For any business inquiry, the email can be found in the description section below. If you like this video or content like this, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I produce new content twice a week, and it's usually around the topic of personal finance, and I don't want you to miss it. Please subscribe. I will see you in my next video.